Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Blackstone Flat Top Griddle. The Blackstone 1650 tabletop gas griddle is a great product with many advantages. It's easy to use, portable and easy to keep after using. Its easy cleanup makes it easier to spend more time outside instead of cooking your food on your own. Tableside designs are ideal for tailgating, camping or any other occasions when you'd like to bring your cooking outdoors. Its durable yet lightweight materials will help to carry this cooker with ease, and simply prop it up on the built-in shelves in the evening after cooking to ensure that you have enough space in the car. It's a great option for any kitchen's initial kit. This tabletop gas griddle can provide years of family meals that are easy to prepare. It comes with an easy-to-use electric ignition and convenient propane 1-pound bottles to fuel, and an upside-down stand that can be turned upside down for storage after use. The most efficient camping grill is sure to become your favorite while cooking outdoors. A punctured grease catcher will ensure that liquids and food will ever get into your tabletop or grill cover. This will allow you more time to live the great life. Number 2 in this best camping griddle list is Royal Gourmet Gas Grill Griddle. The PD1301S by Royal Gourmet is a portable tabletop with a 24-inch diameter, 3-burner gas grill griddle, which is perfect for cooking small outdoor events such as tailgating and camping. It comes with a simple press of the piezo igniter to ensure that cooking is swift, even and delicious. The tabletop gas grill that measures 24 inches grid is ideal for any outdoor cookout. 3 insulated burners produce 25,500 BTUs that power you. All you need to do is to give a quick touch of the piezo igniter to start the fire up. The heat ranges from low into high depending on the place you'd like to cook. With an area of size of 316 square inch tabletop grill, this one is perfect for the grilling, cooking, baking and even roasting requirements. You can even make it griddle. The top of the griddle is easily removable, designed to wash dishes without fuss or complicated assembly required prior to cooking. Like the other grills available nowadays, the fast assembly process ensures that you'll be eating earlier than you ever have before. This mobile gas grill comes with sturdy aluminum construction and 3 burners that provide reliable heating without overloading circuits because of our extensive 120 volts range. For details, let's watch more. Our third choice is Blackstone 1650 Gas Griddle. The Blackstone 1650 tabletop gas griddle is a great product with many benefits. It's portable, convenient and easy to keep after using. Cleanup is easier to enjoy more time outdoors instead of cooking food on your own. The tableside design is ideal for tailgating, camping or any other occasion when you'd like to bring your cooking outdoors. Its durable yet lightweight materials will help to transport this cooker effortlessly, and simply prop it up on the built-in shelves in the evening after cooking to ensure that you have enough space in your car. An excellent option for any kitchen's initial kit, the tabletop gas griddle will last for many years of delicious family meals. It comes with an easy-to-use electric ignition with a convenient propane 1-pound bottles to fuel, and an upside-down stand that can be turned upside down for storage after use. This most efficient camping grill is bound to be your best friend while cooking outdoors. A punctured grease catcher will ensure that food and liquids don't spill out onto your table or grill cover. Easy cleanup means you'll have more time to live the pleasures of life. Fourth pick in this best camping griddle list is Camplux Propane Gas Griddle Grill. Camplux Propane Gas Griddle Grill is a great barbecue item for those who want to camp or go travel by RV. With a griddle as well as a firebox as well as convenient transportation options like handles and kickstands, Camplux presents users with an unbeatable entertainment experience thanks to the 180-inch 2-grill box on its own. The propane fuel is pumped in by pressing and switch. The grilling device comes with 2 burners that generate more than 15,000 BTUs. This Camplux Propane Gas Griddle Grill is among the strongest grills that you can find in the marketplace in the present. With 18 different cooking positions with 2 16 by 16 in square burners and 180 square into grill, and in for the grill, 255 square for a flat-top griddle. The gas grill will soon become your most loved outdoor kitchen appliance. This Camplux Propane Gas Grill for griddles is on high on our checklist of camping equipment. This grill portable comes with flat-topped griddle that is perfect for cooking bacon or pancakes in a row. Easy to clean up and weighing around 38 pounds, the 12-foot power cord covered unit is ideal to ensure that your camping meal will flow effortlessly. Our fifth and last choice is Cuker Camping Griddle. This camping grill is constructed of aluminum to ensure uniform heat distribution. It also comes with a non-stick coating that is convenient. It measures 14.96 inches by 8.66, which fits Cuker Power XL smokeless grills in the event that you'd like to transform the griddle into an indoor one as well. It is easy to cook on outdoor and indoor stovetops while retaining maximum flexibility. Large surface areas ensure that you don't oversaturate your food when you overcrowd the pan. Contrary to traditional cast iron dishes that weigh a lot and are cumbersome and heavy, the most effective griddles for camping are designed to be light to carry and sturdy enough to endure the elements of camping as well as different outdoor sports. There's no need to fret about surface rust as we've applied a top quality non-stick coating to ensure that your food won't stick on the way.